Good evening, friends. This is Sanjay Agrawal, and I'm joined with Animesh Agrawal ji. So today we have this Tractor of the Year award to be given now, and this is a big forum. So where all these tractor manufacturers, the different ones, so they're present here. So Animesh ji, you would tell us about this award, about it, so when it was conceptualized, and how is it happening today, sir?
Okay, so we conceptualized this award back in 2019, and currently we are conducting its third edition. So the reason why it was conceptualized is that India is the largest tractor industry in the world. Roughly about 30% of all the world's tractors are in India. But till 2019, there was no forum or there was no platform where manufacturers were recognized for the work that they were doing. So not just creating a product to maintaining its legacy, to keep giving service to the customers, all of this is extremely difficult. And operating in a market like India, which is very different from district to district, from state to state. So we thought of creating a platform wherein we can recognize all the hard work that were being done by the manufacturers and all their teams. So that's the reason why we started this.
All right. And I heard that during the pandemic, there is a lot of sale has gone up. The revenues of these companies has gone up.
Yes. So I think 2-3 things happened during the pandemic. So there was a reverse migration from urban cities to rural India.
Very nice.
People either due to loss of jobs, unfortunately, or jobs moving to work from home, people realized that staying in Bombay and Delhi makes less sense. Let me go back to my roots, right? So they went back, and suddenly, because they were at home, there were additional pair of hands that were available to do some jobs, and hence the demand for tractors surged. Right. So that is the reason why sale during the pandemic grew. Also, because of the increased internet penetration in the rural India and people familiarity with smartphones and 4G network being available in the nooks and corner of the country, I think a lot of demand moved digital also. So people started coming to digital platforms to look for tractors, to understand tractors. Popularity of platforms like YouTube and Instagram have also grown in a large quantity over the last 2-3 years.
Yeah, we are hearing in the panel discussion with him making this.
Yes.
एक में आपकी attention जो हमारे minister हैं नितिन गडकरी जी, so he is काफी forefront में रहते हैं वो चीज़ों का जो new things. So recently, about 2 years around, so he had launched a tractor with CNG converted. उनका घर पर tractor था नागपुर में, वो दिल्ली लेके आए and some firm had launched it. So what do you think कि अभी जो electric vehicles में focus है the future, so would we also get into tractors? All that is going to be coming.
So
the way forward.
सारी companies research कर रही हैं electric tractors पे. अभी शायद वो टेक्नोलॉजी फार्मर तक जाने के लिए उसे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज हमारा जो फार्मर है ना वो ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता, या ज़्यादा रिस्क ले नहीं सकता.
वहाँ पे पोल्यूशन का कोई समस्या भी नहीं है.
वहाँ पे पोल्यूशन की समस्या नहीं है. उसको चाहिए कि मेरा काम नहीं रुकना चाहिए.
राइट.
बिकॉज उसके पास अगर खेती करने के लिए उसको उसी 5-7 दिनों में अगर उसे अपनी ज़मीन तैयार करनी है तो उसके पास ट्रैक्टर ऐसा होना चाहिए जो उसे दिक्कत नहीं दे.
राइट. So very valid, sir.
So इसीलिए वो चाहता है एक ऐसी स्टडी टेक्नोलॉजी जो उसके साथ रहे, और उसके काम में और उसकी इनकम में उसकी मदद करे. अगर उसके लिए थोड़ा खर्चा उसको करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक में 2-3 एक तो पोल्यूशन का पॉइंट होता है, दूसरा शायद कॉस्ट ऑफ ओनरशिप कम हो जाती है. आपको 1 किलोमीटर चलने के लिए 4 रुपये नहीं चाहिए, शायद 30 पैसे में काम हो जाता है. बट फार्मर ये चाहता है कि मेरा काम रुके नहीं. अगर मुझे उसके लिए
सीजनल जो आपने बोला
सीजनल है और बहुत हैवीली डिपेंडेंट है. अगर आज आपकी हमारी गाड़ी खराब होती है, हम दूसरी गाड़ी से या पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से चले जाएंगे, अगर उसका ट्रैक्टर खराब हो जाता है तो उसका इनकम का लॉस है. सो आई थिंक अगले 2-3 सालों में जब मैन्युफैक्चरर्स काफ़ी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बना के मार्केट में उतार देंगे और कस्टमर को भरोसा हो जाएगा कि ये ट्रैक्टर भी उसी तरीके से काम कर सकता है जैसे उसका आज का डीजल पावर्ड ट्रैक्टर करता है, तब कस्टमर इस टेक्नोलॉजी को ज़रूर अडॉप्ट करेगा.
और लास्ट में आप जो ट्रैक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, तो how many do you have in this even today?
So I think we have almost all the manufacturers except one.
Except one. Okay. So I think this is the beginning of a new, like you're saying that